Is cracking your fingers really harmful? Within the diarthrodyl connections in the joints we crack, there are carbon dioxide bubbles. By pulling and bending your joints, you cause these bubbles to burst through friction. Since it takes some time for these bubbles to reform, you cannot continuously crack the same joint. Although people claim that it is harmful, they are mistaken. To date, no study has been able to establish a connection between joint cracking and diseases. In fact, a doctor named Donald Unger cracked only the joints in his left hand for 60 years in an attempt to prove this connection. But after all that time, no difference was detected between his two hands.